Hi everyone, guess who's back with another free AI tool you need to check out? You guessed it right, me. Today I'm showing you how to do comic strips. Just follow this quick tutorial and you're good to go. Let's dive in. Go to Comic AI and choose the story mode. I have a story from ChatGPT, so I'll paste it here. Fill in the title and creator too. Use a short story. We're on, let's visualize the characters. This incredible AI presents the character options which you can change if you dislike their description. Click Generate if you're happy with it. Then hit that next button. Now for each panel, choose a character, an action reference, and click on Generate. Move on the next one below and repeat the same process for all the panels. Don't forget to go through all the panels to see if the images created are to your liking. If not, have it generate another one for you. Make changes if you want to. Time to create the layout and the dialogue. Choose your base color. Start with the title, so click text. It's all drag and drop. Make your changes. Choose the panel, the bubbles, and the text. Make the changes you want. When you're happy, just click next and share it. How great is this?